here's a mobile device security checklist for you. First, you want to make sure that you have appropriate device and access control to minimize risks. Defend against mobile phishing attacks, which are becoming increasingly common, particularly those attacks on multi-factor authentication. Make sure that your users have safe habits like opting out of personal data collection whenever possible, making sure their web traffic is encrypted, using a VPN. Make sure you have strong software security. You're hardening those devices, keeping those operating systems up to date. Make sure you're including mobile devices in your supply chain security. Include those carriers and important app developers in your list of vendors and include suppliers in response. And finally, manage your physical security. Set strong passwords and biometric authentication. Make sure your device level encryption is on. Backup data on mobile devices. Have a clear process for reporting lost and stolen devices. And make sure you have remote wipe turned on in case a device is lost or stolen. Thank you so much, everyone. Again, this is Sherry Davidoff, CEO of LMG Security. If you have any questions, please reach out anytime. We'd love to hear from you. You can email us at info@lmgsecurity.com or find us on LinkedIn and follow us on Twitter. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you next time.